percentage, especially percentage of drug that is being absorbed by given dosage form and is made available to the site of action is known as bioavailability of that particular form. Bioavailability means active availability of drug in active form at the site of action, and it is dependent on route of administration. If we give IV route, 10% drug goes to the circulation blood, and then injection route there is more by almost 10% drug goes to the systemic circulation. But when we give drug orally, then availability may be 0 to nearly 10%. 0 because there are some drugs will not at all absorb from the gut, like aminoglycosides will not be at all absorbed. So that's why it is not used orally for systemic purpose. It can be used orally for gut sterilization. So if we use sublingually, then it is also 10% because there is no first-pass metabolism directly goes to the systemic circulation. If we use by inhalation route, then the drug will remain confined in the respiratory tract, and it will usually, unless finer form, it will not come to the systemic circulation. So formulation. So these routes of administration modifies bioavailability. 10% bioavailability in case of injectable route. And it is also for the solid. It is also dependent on disintegration pressure, disintegration time, dissolution time, manufacturing technique, and compression pressure, and area of vascularity, area of blood supply, and area of blood area of absorbing surface and vascularity. So all these factors will modify absorption, thereby bioavailability. So in this chapter, the things one must remember is processes by which a drug can cross biological membrane, and the types of categories of drugs which are highly lipid soluble, water soluble, or readily ionizable, and the processes with their example, with the characteristics of the processes. With this, I want to. This is the. I am coming to at the end of this chapter, and I like to thank you for your patient hearing. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.